name is William Stevens. I'm the head of the Public Affairs section at the U.S. Embassy in Ashgabat. I've been here in Turkmenistan almost 2 years, and it's great to see how people celebrate International Women's Day. International Women's Day, I'm here today at this flower store buying flowers for my wife and getting some other gifts for the women in my life. It's wonderful to see how the people of Turkmenistan celebrate the contributions of women to their society. Celebrate by celebrating the impact that women have on our lives. From our mothers and grandmothers to our wives and daughters and sisters, women truly provide an example of contribution and success. So, from the people of the United States to the people of Turkmenistan, I wish all the women here a very happy and wonderful International Women's Day. I wish you health and happiness and wealth. And I say this from the people of the United States.